Similarly, the Devatva, divinity. And now the greatest problem what Param Pujya Gurudev faced when he was giving this knowledge, that he has to define divinity. Param Pujya Gurudev has said, if you read the Vedas, they talk about Prudhvi Devata, Varuno Devata, Agnir Devata, Vayur Devata, Dyauhu Devata. What does it mean? What Devata the Vedas are talking about, and what way we are going to the temples, and what type of Devatas we are praying. So he defines, Param Pujya Gurudev says that Devata is all natural sources, natural forces. Prudhvi Devata is something natural. Electricity is something natural. Magnetism is something natural. Natural means it is in nature. You need not have to search somewhere else. But then what is Devata? If you know the laws how to these natural forces, it becomes a Devata. If you don't know how to utilize those forces, they become Bhutas. अब पहले पहले बिजली चमकती थी और थंडर और सब होता था तो हम डर जाते थे, पता नहीं कौन सा भूत वहाँ से चिल्ला रहा है। और अब हमें मालूम है कि वो विद्युत है, उनका लॉज हम जानते हैं। अभी भी साइंटिस्ट ये सामर्थ्य तो नहीं बना पाए कि बिजली जो कौंधती हुई बिजली को हम कैसे हार्नेस करें। दे आर ट्राइंग देयर बेस्ट, बट द इंडियन योगीज कैन डू दैट. The Indian yogis can do that. They have time and again they have proved that they can harness all these natures. So that type of yoga you are going to learn, and they are all physical aspects. What I am trying to tell you, just as in Vidyalayas you go and learn the Vidyas by somebody who know it, and in the end your goal is that it should become yours. Similarly, when you go to the Devalayas, the natural forces must become yours. You should harmonize, you should utilize the powers in nature in your hands, and really it is in your hands, literally is in your hands. In pranayama we utilize something as known as, what are they called, do you remember? Mudra. Chin Mudra, this is Chin Mudra, this is Gyan Mudra. Just a small change in this. What is this? Abhay Mudra. What is this? Well, I am showing the mudras, I can't do that. This is Vara Mudra. Are you understanding what I am trying to convey to you? When you put a hand like this, you are utilizing your power to give protection. We just see the figures, so many devatas in this pose, is it not? हम बोल भी देते हैं कि अभय मुद्रा, but are you able to get the power of protection through this mudra? That is our fault. We are not doing the yoga properly. You should know how to channelize it, how to make connection. That is what yoga is. Yoga in Sanskrit means union, jodna. So with the natural forces, if you know the laws, you can connect yourself with the various mudras. If you connect with this, you get blessings. Not blessings, what kind of vardhan. Blessings is okay for that, but can you connect with that? You go to the temple to learn that art. Are we learning it? And then what should happen? Just as in the Vidyalayas, when you learn that Vidya, you become that. Similarly, when you go to a Devalaya, you should become that Devata. But the level of your ability to put it in practice may differ. An engineer may be a very good engineer, or he may become some Nobel Prize winner. But in general, all are Similarly, the normal functionings of devatas are based on two things, on the asanas and the mudras. Now you understand what I want to convey, what Param Pujya Gurudev wanted to convey to you? The asana for Shiva Tattva is a bull. नंदी पे बैठते हैं ना, तो उनका आसन तो नंदी कहें या गोमुखासन कहें, बात एक ही है. यहाँ तो स्पीसीज की बात हो रही है. अब ये आप मत कहिए कि नंदी और गोमुखी आसन तो अलग हो गए, तो वो स्पीसीज है. समझ में आ रहा ना? अगर आप कृष्ण या विष्णु के अवतारों के बारे में, जब हम उन शक्तियों के बारे में जब बात करते हैं, तो कौन सा आसन याद आता है? गरुड़ासन. देवों का सेना नायक सुब्रमण्य स्वामी है, सुना है ना उनका नाम आप लोगों ने? तो उनका आसन क्या है? गरुड़ासन है. You are able to follow my question. If you don't know, I will answer it. I am thinking that you know it. I am asking if you don't know it because you are USA. Peacock. Peacock, मोर. और एक मोर आसन है इन आसनाज आल्सो, मयूर आसन जिसे हम कहते हैं. And if you know the Mayurasana and you can utilize the mudras of Subramanya Swami, the divinity will come down. And if you want Subramanya Swami's power and you put Garudasana, it will not come. So this is the expert knowledge that Param Pujya Gurudev has given to us in Yogasanas in this. That is why I want you to convey this message. That when we are doing asanas, we are not just trying for health, not for physical health. We are also trying for an emotional health and a mental health. 3 types of health. And then we are trying to control 5 elements: the earth, water, fire, air and sky. So these 3 healths and then these 5 elements are the Ashta Yogis, are the Ashta Siddhis.